Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on Instagram, I asked you guys what looks you guys would like to see, what new color combinations, and someone mentioned a red smoky eye, and I was like, yes, 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 that is what I want to do. I feel like I don't have many red smoky eyes. I have like cranberry looks. This ends up looking kind of cranberry, but we're just gonna pretend like it's a red. So I wanted to do a warm red smoky eye. I don't know why, but I love the look of a red smoking out into an orange. So that is what I did, and I did a liner, which I rarely ever do. So I'm loving how this look turned out, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So definitely let me know what looks you guys want to see, new color combinations, anything, because I will be filming them for you guys. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm first picking up Silk Cream. Starting with my Sigma E40 taper blending brush, I'm going to start running the shadow through my crease. I like to apply transition shades, especially when I do colorful shadows. It just helps make everything else more blendable. Now picking up Hunts. Now I'm switching over to my Sigma E38, and I'm running the shadow through my crease just to nicely warm this up. I think it's going to look so pretty to have that red blend out into this orangey shadow. It's going to make it look really nice and warm. Now for this red shadow, I'm picking up the Urban Decay eyeshadow in Relish. I'm picking the shadow up in my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, and I'm going to start packing the shadow onto my lid, making sure that it's really nice and opaque. This is such a beautiful red. It's like a nice deep warm red. And then with whatever is left on this brush, I'm kind of doing stamping motions, moving that brush higher up into my crease. And then I'm going to start really lightly blending that just to incorporate that shadow into this crease, and then I will go and apply more just to start blending this out into this orange. And then I picked up this same shadow on the tip of this E25 blending brush by Sigma, and I'm applying that into the crease, just low down because I don't want to really cover up that orange. And then start doing circular motions to blend that out. And then going back in with Hunts to bring this orangey shade back and blend out that red. And lastly with Silk Cream, just to make sure everything is really diffused, I always like to bring back the transition shade at the very last step to make sure that everything is nicely blended and diffused out. I just wiped off this brush and picked up Hunts, and this is the E54 medium sweeper brush, and I'm just running this all along my lash line, smoking it down pretty far down. I want it to be really smoky and sultry. And now picking up Relish on my E20 short shader brush, and I'm just applying this really close to my lash line. And then I'm going to start smoking this out and make sure that your lower lash line connects up to your outer crease shadows. To highlight my brow bone, I'm picking up Beam. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with my Zoeva Luxe Smoky shader brush just on the very high point of my brow. And then just go in with any of those crease shadow brushes just to blend that out. And I'm using the Sigma Standout Eyes Gel Liner in Wicked. Okay, so now I am going to be applying a liner, which I rarely ever do for any of my looks, but I am going to be doing a liner for this look because I find that a lot of people get scared with red shadows because it makes it look like they have like a bruised eye, and liner does distract that and it keeps that redness away from that lash line. So I'm just going to be using my Smashbox Precise Brow and Liner brush. And then I'm going to wiggle in my brush kind of in between where my upper lashes and lower lashes meet, and then just flick it out. And then draw that line back on itself and then fill that in. So I picked that liner up on that same brush, and I'm just lining my upper waterline. And then lining my lower waterline. This also keeps that redness away from your lash line. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up Faint. Now just to highlight the upper part of my inner corner, I'm using my Sigma E21 smudge brush. I'm now just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be using these House of Lashes in Allure Light. And that's the eye look done. So I'm first gonna go ahead and do my lips just because I feel like I'm naked right now without any lipstick on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlight because I really want to try out this new highlight palette. So first for my lips, I'm gonna be going into the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Fair Game. It's a really pretty nude and I just wanted to keep my lips nice and nude. So for my highlight, I'm going to try out this new MAC Hyper Real Glow, and I think this is the one in Flash and Awe. There is no name on it, so I'm just guessing, but I will link down below the exact palette that I'm using. So here are the highlights in here. They're so pretty, and this is more of a rosy highlight palette, and I'm living for it. And look at those swatches. So they're so pretty. So these two shades are more rosy and then this one is golden. I don't know if you guys can see that with my finger swatches. So what I'm actually going to do is mix all three shades. So I'm just going to kind of dip my brush in all three and then I'm going to kind of just mix these two just to give that extra little pop. And I'm applying that on the high points of my cheeks using my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush. And now I just picked up the first two shades just to apply just at that high point. Yes, that is just gonna make it blinding. This palette is actually so pretty and they're so creamy. Let's touch up that nose highlight. And that's it. This is the completed look of my warm red smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how this look turned out and I think it's because of the liner. I haven't done a liner in so long and I'm loving it. And this liner by Sigma is incredible. It's so black and matte, which is like my favorite type of liner. I don't really like when liners are shiny, but this one is just amazing. You guys need to check it out and get your hands on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and give me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, which you should be, come on. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, they'll be right here as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products and brushes that I use will be linked down below. And I think that should be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!